What's up, traders? Welcome back. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Today the price action was very slow. I actually made one trade. Well, actually no, I made 4 trades, but 3 trades were actually on the Polarity ATI chart. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but it's basically what I'm looking at. It's the footprint chart. I'm trying something new with it. I did trade about a month ago with them, with the footprint, and I didn't really find a lot of success. But I kind of started doing more research on it, and been using a different strategy. It's more of a scalping strategy. So testing that out, see how it works, and hopefully I'll have a result at the end of the week. But on actual price action trading, I only did 1 trade, and yeah, it was not very eventful. So yeah, let's go over the chart. When I came in, the daily candle was looking very bullish, and that kind of gave me an idea that we have an uptrend working. We did reject this price again, this price level right here at 35.93. So that's a good sign. Do I think it's gonna go back up to these levels? Maybe. In my experience, these bigger trend channels, they don't always come to like the exact lows and highs of the trend. So I don't know. The market has been oversold for quite some time. Maybe a rally is due. I'm not sure, but I do like the looks of this candle. So then, as you can see, like I said, I came in this morning. I had my notes that said PA is in a nice uptrend. On the daily, we have bounced off the support. The bias is cleared to the upside, and that's a look for longs / failed shorts at the key entry point. Now, the thing with this is, so I have kind of 2 channels working here. I'm not sure if I trust the bigger trend channel. I do like the green one a lot better. It just fits better in my opinion. A lot of confirmation from the downside, or from the lower trend line and the upper trend line. So I do like that one better, but I do have the big one on there just for reference. And so it's unfortunate that we have this nice big uptrend working up, and honestly I didn't really see too many entries that I would take, and maybe just because again I'm still learning this stuff, so my eye didn't catch anything that I liked. I know that Max says that you can enter on any little pullback and go long, like such as this, maybe this. The problem with this is that I don't like entering that far away from EMA. I feel like every time I enter here I'll get a pullback. But the way, I guess it's just experience, but you have an uptrend working up, and then we do have a little bit of a shorter uptrend working as well. So basically it's like almost a 3-tier channel really. You have a break new high in place. So when I had this originally, I was playing this green channel, and I was expecting basically a break, which you do get a new high, and I guess the first opportunity could have taken is this triple test right here. 1 2 3, break new low already in place. Yeah, break new low already in place. The signal bar on this is not that great. I would want it to be a little bit more bullish, but it does work for scalp. And then just kind of slowly chopping to the upside. You do get a break and a new high, and I wasn't really playing the bigger uptrend channel. And then you have a basically triple test to the downside. Now the problem with this trade is that you do have a break and new high already in place, but then you are going short into the big uptrend. It's always tricky to take those trades, because when you look at it, it's like, oh my god, this uptrend is huge. Prices start working down again, and the price works down again. Basically it's almost like a correction. Break new low already in place. Again, I wasn't really looking for longs. This is all congested here. You don't want to trade anything here. super congested, all the wicks and stuff. I don't like any of that stuff. And then finally breaks out of that congestion, goes back down again, and then you have a break and you low again in place. I wasn't sure if this red channel is valid. It looks like it's valid, but I wasn't really confident in it. And then I did see this triple test again. The problem with this is you are in the middle of a trend channel if you playing this red downtrend channel. But if you play in this bigger uptrend channel, you have a break and you high expect it. So yeah, so triple test, pretty bearish, pretty big bullish bar. And again, the only issue is you going long to this EMA, so it's a little bit tricky. Yeah, he finally breaks that trend line, goes all the way up. I don't really see anything here that I like. I was waiting for a higher low here, we never got it. And really, once we made this high, we're just going sideways for a little while, and I don't really see anything here. I wanted to trade. I did trade here. That failed second entry long. Basically, it's like a hidden second entry long, so you have a new high here, and then that bar basically came up, came down, came up again, and took a short there. It was only one contract. It was nothing crazy. Honestly, I don't even know if this range is valid. I mean, it looks to be valid. You do have a failed breakout here. It's a tricky day today. It's kind of slow, and as you can see on the initial balance chart, dairy range, they I use this chart for reference. I don't really trade it. I had the weave up as well, just for reference. Yeah, very slow day, very choppy price action, and hopefully tomorrow's a better day. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.